keep it clean, no mess, no stress. We're going to show you the quick and easy way to vacuum seal the sand or rubber mulch for your fill bags. The number one benefit of vacuum sealing your fill is that you can easily change out one fill bag for the other, quickly adjusting the weight without having to dump out your sand or dump out your rubber mulch. It's easy. We're going to show you how. So first of all, get yourself a roll of 4 mil heavy duty vacuum seal bags. You can pick them up on Amazon, you can pick them up on Walmart, not a problem at all, but the 4 mil are very durable. We did this over 900 times, we're not even joking, and this is the grade, this is the thickness, it lasts, it's durable. Put it in, no worries whatsoever. So for our fill bag, to fit inside this fill bag, your fill bags for your sandbag might be different, but the length on here is 14-inch total length. We measured 0.75 of an inch from the bottom to where we want to put the heat seal. Come over here, have a look. This is just your regular household vacuum sealer. So we put it inside here like this, close it, right there, hit seal. It's going to seal. It puts a heat seal on there. It's going to turn off in 1 second. There we go. Pop it. Heat seal has been made. So now one of the things you want to do is let it cool first. Make sure that it cools before you put your sand in. We got a scale here. You want to weigh it out. This one here is going to fit about 9.6 pounds. You don't have to weigh it out if you don't want to. We just want to show you here for demonstration purposes. There we have it. So the next thing to do, take the fill bag, put it inside the vacuum sealer. You don't want to cover up your vacuum hole because that's going to affect how it seals. It's going to suck, so don't do that at all. Tuck it in there. Put it down. Perfect. After it's done vacuum sealing, all you have to do, hit the heat seal button. It'll turn off when it's ready to go. A few seconds. Pop the clips. There you go. Heat seal bag, ready to go. The fill's not coming out of the sandbag. All you have to do is just pack it in here. Open up the first insert of Velcro. Right there. And that's it. So the benefits of vacuum sealing the fill for your fill bag. Number one, easy to change between a lighter fill such as mulch and a heavier fill such as sand. Number two, if you're just using sand, you don't have to worry about any of the fine powder coming out over the months and years that you have your sandbag. Everything will stay inside your 4 mil heavy duty vacuum sealed freezer bag without a problem at all.